This tutorial is to show you how to get an image into PIxlr Express. So if I go to www.pixlr.com and scroll down, I will find PIxlr Express. We will launch this web app. And this will be the page I come to. And we want to bring the image in that we're going to work on. And I'm going to hit Browse. And I will come to the image that I plan to use. In this case, I'm going to use an image I downloaded called Beautiful Blooming. And I'm going to hit Open. So I just select it and then hit Open, and here I am. I'm ready in PIxlr Express. PIxlr Express allows me to make adjustments from the Adjustments panel, where I'll find things like resizing, changing the color, so I can increase the saturation or decrease it to black and white. I can change the hue and change the colors. I can lighten or darken an image. And when I make the change I want, so say I wanted to change the colors of this image, I hit Apply, and then I am done. I can also do things like add a splash of color in Splash. I can use the brush size, make it larger or smaller, and then come in here and paint in the areas that I want the color to show up. If I decide I don't like something, I just hit Cancel. If I decide I want to keep something exactly how it is, I can come up here to save the image. We also have several different other fun things. We can add overlays. I could add fire. Some of them are a little silly, but some of them can be quite nice. There's also an effect tool in here, where I can add almost like an Instagram filter over something that I like, but I can also adjust its amount. Once I like something, I hit Apply. And to get rid of all these menu options, I just click on the actual tool. If I decided I liked how this looked, I can come up here and hit Save, and then I need to rename the item. So I'm going to say Bloom, I'll delete this, Bloom's color change, and hit Save. It will ask me where I want to save it, and in this case I'm going to save it to my desktop because that will be the easiest for me to access, and hit Save. It's just that simple. I can always undo steps up here at the top. It lets me go back a couple of steps, not a ton. Then of course I can always come here and keep adjusting things. If I don't need to save an image and I just want to work on something else, I just hit Close and I'm back to this page.